Hello friends, আজি এটা reasoning question solve কৰিম. Question to দিয়া আছে find the value of x where x into root over x is equals to 64. Option দিয়া আছে চাৰিটা. Option A is equals to 4, B 8, C 16 and D 2. Now solution. Given x into root over x is equals to 64. Now squaring both sides. X into root over x whole square is equals to 64 whole square. Now it to solve korile pam ami x cube is equals to 64 square. X cube is equals to now 64 ok ami cube korim. Cube korile 4 cube whole square. Now x cube is equals to এটি আমি পাওয়ার টু ইন্টারচেঞ্জ করিম ইন্টারচেঞ্জ করিলে 4 স্কয়ার হোল কিউব বোথ সাইডত কিউব আছে সো x is equals to 4 square x is equals to 16 then option C is correct.